Hello and welcome! In this video, I will show you how to set the clock on the Beko MGC20130 Sb microwave oven, step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure the microwave is in standby mode. That means it's plugged in but not running. Now, press the clock button repeatedly to choose between a 12-hour or 24-hour clock format. Once you have chosen your preferred format, press the Start button to confirm it. Next, use the minus plus buttons to set the hours. Once you have set the hours, press the clock button once. Now, use the minus plus buttons again to set the minutes. Finally, press the clock button one more time to confirm the time setting. And that's it, your clock is now set and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more appliance how-to guides. Thanks for watching!